Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, Man jaa'a bil hasanati falahu 'ashru amthaliha ومن جاء بالسيئة فلا يجزى إلا مثلها وهم لا يظلمون. Translation: Whoever comes with good deeds will receive 10 times more than its credit, and those who bring evil deeds will be recompensed only equal to their sins, and no one shall be wronged. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a common law in this ayah that the good deed will be compensated at least 10 times more, and there is no limit for more than that, and the bad deed will be compensated only equal to what is set by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for that bad deed. It will not be more than that. But if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wills, He may reduce it or He may completely forgive it. So for the good deeds at least 10 times, and there is no limit for the higher reward than 10 times, and for a bad deed the highest is equal to that bad deed, but if Allah wills, He may completely forgive that. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's court has no chance of any zulm or any wronged decision, any injustice. There is no possibility of that. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who perform lots and lots of good deeds and who perform no bad deeds or wrongdoing. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.